Hey guys, this is Fireball Brady with Microsoft, here to talk to you about the Element CL Pro from iBUYPOWER, and it is a stunning machine. If you're in the market for a hardline water-cooled PC, but don't want to break the bank, this is the gaming rig for you. This gaming beast harnesses all the benefits of a custom-built hardline water-cooled system, and it delivers it pre-built to your door for a reasonable price. And it's due to iBUYPOWER's uniquely efficient water tube design. Their custom designed fittings are push to connect, making assembly, disassembly, and maintenance a complete breeze, all while creating reliable connections. This lets them deliver it pre-filled, so all you have to do is open the box, pull it out, plug in your accessories, turn it on, and bring on the gaming. The custom tube fittings and blocks are designed to move about an inch either direction, allowing for a variety of hardware configurations without the need of bending new tubes. This way you can experience all the benefits of a hardline cooling system, such as quieter operations, without locking into one specific configuration. Let's not forget about the RGB action either. Both the CPU and GPU water blocks are equipped with custom RGB lights, and they can be synchronized with the RGB fans and other compatible RGB accessories. Now, we made a video over a year ago with iBUYPOWER on the newly announced Element CL. So if you're wondering what's new with the Pro Edition, here's the answer. The Element CL Pro supports the 11th gen Intel CPUs and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 and 3080 graphics cards. The Element CL Pro also comes equipped with the newly designed fans that are PWM controlled with swept blades for higher static pressure to keep your PC as cool as possible. You want to have hundreds of games at your fingertips? Use your Element CL Pro to get access to the Xbox Game Pass for PC. Whether you're into racing games, RPGs, or first-person shooters, you can play in 4K resolution on Windows. 4K offers the clearest, most realistic graphics possible. Check out iBUYPOWER.com for the available configurations on the amazing iBUYPOWER Element CL Pro. I'm Fireball Brady with Microsoft, and thanks for watching.